Alright, we are once again back in the bus. Let me kill this light and possibly even this one because I think they are washing out the camera. Alright, well hello everybody. We're back in Zephyr again, and I've got something here. These are cabinets, and I mean obviously they're cabinets, but where in the world did I get these cabinets? Okay, there is a apartment complex that is redoing their apartments and remodeling, and they're taking all the old cabinets out and replacing them with brand new ones. But they got to get rid of the old ones. So far, from what I've been able to tell, there's nothing wrong with these cabinets at all. I mean, they're perfect. There were some that were kind of tore up, and I think they tore them up taking them out, but like the ones that were for the sink and stuff like that, the kitchen sink, they were probably harder to get out, so they basically tore them up getting them out of there. But these, there's nothing wrong with them. I think they just wanted to update their apartments. As you can see, they look fine. Nice cabinets. Okay, I got this one. I got that one back there. As you can see, it's basically the same thing, sitting sideways, but you can see there's really nothing wrong with these cabinets. The only thing wrong with them, which I don't really care about, is when they painted. You can see where they painted. They didn't mask them off or anything. I don't care about that. That's fine. That's not going to hurt anything. I mean, look at these. They're good. There's nothing wrong with them. So, what I've done is I've got them and brought them in here. And today, this ugly spot underneath the sink, which has both of my heaters, my original heater right there, my new heater right there, under here, that all needs to be covered. I need to have, this directed out through a baseboard, and I want cabinetry under here so that I can store stuff in there. But we just so happen to have some cabinets that will fit. They just happen to be the right height. So we're going to try and see. Oh yeah, I got this one too. This one I was thinking I might cut down and put in here or something. I don't know yet. But for today, we're going to deal with these and see if we can get this part back here looking a little bit better. Alright, so we need to measure this first. This is 18 3/8. This space is 20 inches all the way down to the heater. But if I go down to 18 something there, 19 inches would be probably good. Y'all gotta remember, I am not a carpenter or a plumber or anything like that. I am just pretty much winging it. And my duct tape seems to be holding here. It's good and warm. By the way, the heater is working excellent. It's doing great. Starts right up every time. Runs great. Anyway, this is not about the heater. This is about the cabinets. So, see what we can do here. We need a 2x4. That is, if I get one 53 inches, I can screw it to right here. Yep. Okay, well, I did just a little bit off camera. Yeah, I don't know if well, it wasn't the battery. I don't know, the camera timed out or something and stopped recording. But anyway, I got a little bit done today. This all is covered now. Still have to get, I got the vent in there, and it's blowing right now. Still nice and warm. And really, turn that off. You can just barely, I don't even know if you'll be able to hear it on the camera. You just barely hear that heater under there. But anyway, I've used one of the cabinets is just, it's mounted in there as, you know, as it used to be, you know, as a actual cabinet. And the other one is basically just the door part and the trim. And then we've got, you know, all our stuff back in there we can get to. But if I have to get back inside of here, there's only like 6 screws. There's one on each corner, one in here, down there, and over here. So I can take those off and get to them. And also if I need to get under, I can take those 2 screws out. Now the air intake is over here. The air comes around and down into the heater. Either the big heater or the little diesel heater. Either one. Cut a hole out for the heater vent there. So that made that look a little bit better. I'm kind of trying to trim this up some here. But I'm going to have to put a piece over to here and then over that way. I think that's what I'm going to do. If not, I'll square this up and just make it go square into the couch like that. I may just do that. Cut out for the plug here. And of course you've seen the vent up here. And still not really sure what I'm going to do with this cabinet yet. It's got a little shelf in it. There are 2 shelves, but they're supposed to go, it's supposed to go up and down, you know, this way. I got my little drawers on top of it. I don't know how long that's going to last. Probably until the first time I hit my brakes, but that's just where I got them sitting for now. I'm going to figure out something else. I don't even know if I'm going to really use my drawers or not. I got all kinds of room under here now, or in here now. And there's also room under the couch, but you have to lift the couch up to get it. I didn't want to let this fold down because of the electrical and vent and all that. So anyway, that's kind of a little update of what I've got done today. I guess y'all kind of missed out on some of it because my camera quit and I didn't realize it until it's too late. I may end up actually cutting in a return air in here somewhere, some kind of vent, and then that way I could have my air going in here and going out there, and also going out up there. Anyway, well, I guess that's going to probably pretty much do it. Get a little shot of it right there. That's going to pretty much do this video. Got a little bit done today. I'm kind of happy with it. Anyway, I appreciate everybody watching, and I will see y'all on the next one.